Another popular video format you may want to connect to your TriCaster is HDMI. When it comes to TriCaster models, the TriCaster Mini X is the only TriCaster that has HDMI video inputs available on the back of the unit. On this system, there are 4 connectors, and each connector will support up to 4K UHD at 30 frames per second. Now, it's important to know that if you have a source that has copy protection or HDCP, that will not work with your TriCaster system. It will not have the ability to decrypt the signal coming in. So if you have something like a Blu-ray player, it's unlikely to work as an input. But other devices like cameras or computers should generally not be a problem. If you have a TriCaster system, you need to add HDMI input into it. The following methods are available. You can use an HDMI to NDI converter, or you can use an HDMI to USB video interface. Let's take a look at how HDMI would work with your TriCaster system. Let's take a look at the HDMI inputs found on a TriCaster Mini X system. I am logged into the live desktop, and you will need to assign the HDMI inputs to whichever TriCaster inputs you plan to use. So let's just say we'll go to input 1, click on its gear, then under the window go to local, and in here you'll see in 1 through in 4. These are the HDMI inputs. You can set these up on whichever inputs you want on the TriCaster's multi-view. When you select one of these inputs, if necessary, you do have the ability to override the auto detect resolution and force the resolution that you want the TriCaster to sync with the external device.